Hey guys, today we're going to unbox an SM7B microphone. Now this is not a new microphone. I just thought we'd make a sort of meaningless video today, and it's a lazy late night lockdown unboxing. And yeah, SM7B, I finally got one. I've been doing my covers on a Rode NT2A, and like it's a great mic. It's just because I'm doing like metal, the SM7B I'm hoping will give me a better sound for some of the screams. It's the mic that you see like everywhere these days, and I've just been procrastinating on getting one for ages. But I finally, I have money now at the moment, so I thought, why not? And I also talked to a lot of my audio engineering friends just to make sure that it's legitimately a good mic and not just a fashionable mic at the moment. And I also asked them about an alternative, which is the RE20 that someone recommended me a while back. And yeah, I think especially as a female, this is going to be better for me because it has the proximity effect, which is when you get close to the microphone, it adds a bit of a bass boost. And me being a female with a high-pitched voice, I probably need that more than a male vocalist to get like the right tone. And then yeah, I just want to try something different. Now with the SM7B, I have been warned that I might need a little extra gadget to get a high enough signal that I can record. But on the other hand, I'm doing loud vocals, so I'll find that out later. I'm not going to do that today, I'm just going to open this. It came really quickly. I got it from Taramara Music in Sydney, and I gave myself 2 days after asking my audio engineering friends whether or not I should, I gave myself 2 days to think about whether or not I should buy it. And on the day that I gave myself the deadline to decide, they decided to have a sale. And so I was like, well, I mean, I'm not superstitious, but I'll pretend it's a sign from the universe. So I finally ordered it, and that was only a few days ago, and it's already here. They sent it by Express. Where's the little Express sticker? Yay! Thank you, Taramara Music. And it was also nice, I got a few emails updating me on stuff, but the first email was written by a human, which is nice, fun things about small business. So I realize I'm rambling and maybe you just want me to open the thing. But like I said, this is a lazy late night lockdown unboxing because I want to make a meaningless video. Okay, and so I have my camera here, and I don't know, we'll see if it's worth using and showing you some more stuff. I need some scissors. Yeah, SM7B. It's a different type of microphone to the Rode. The Rode's condenser mic, which you use more in the studio, but this is I gather, a large diaphragm dynamic microphone. So you see stage mics, they're dynamic usually because they're very hardy, whereas the fragile condensers are usually a bit more sensitive across the frequencies, blah, blah, blah. Do you even care about this nerd stuff? Probably not. Hey, but no, this is actually quite a good microphone. It actually costs more than my condenser. Where do I tackle this from? That's always the question with packages, isn't it? I'll get on this end. Oh my god, I'm so bad at opening stuff. You'd think after reviewing fashion things, I'd have a clue, but it seems I don't. There's just the bloody tape everywhere. Help! You see what I mean about making a meaningless video? God help me if anyone actually tries to watch this as an actual SM7B unboxing. This mic has been out for years, so if you're looking at me for an unboxing, I'm sorry, I don't know what to tell you. This is more for my regular viewers who just want me to be my usual weird self. But yeah, we've tackled some heavy stuff the last few videos, so I thought, hey, let's do something light and meaningless. And what was I gonna do? Open it off camera? Don't I show you almost everything I do? Ah! Little bits of paper going everywhere. Wow, I'm so bad at opening these things. Oh. Alright. So, for those of you who don't know the model names of microphones, I think looking at the box now, you can probably get an idea of which one we're talking about. So the SM7B. What does it say? Cardioid, which means it takes in sound from the front. There's a few different types of microphones. Some take in sound from all around, some take it from the front and back, and some mainly take it from the front, which is cardioid. It's like a love heart shape though, so it does get a little bit from the sides and the back, but it's mainly a front-facing microphone. Dynamic, I won't go into what dynamic versus condenser is because it gets a bit complicated, but it's a different type of microphone to the Rode. Legendary vocal microphone, shielded, selectable frequency response microphone, delivers warm and smooth audio reproduction in close proximity applications. It's often used as a broadcast mic, or is it used? Yeah, I guess these days it is. I think that's mainly what it's designed for. It is inside of the box. I'm sorry, my lighting is definitely not ideal for this, but like, you know, blah blah blah, blah 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 blah, blah blah blah, blah 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 blah. So yeah, I'm really good at telling you stuff. Items included: SM7B and close talk windscreen. Woo. Yeah, and then can you even see that on? Huh. Yeah. Yeah, it's good making videos without proper lighting. Okay, now how do I open it? Oh, I should probably turn it around so you can see the good stuff, hey? Oh, a box within a box. Now I'm gonna open another thing. Yeah. Anyway, so, I was reading someone's post on Facebook and getting myself a little bit like, I kind of want to reply. But then I saw someone replying with, like, maybe not every point I would have made, but a lot of the main ones in some good detail. And I thought, yay, thank you, random person. Now I don't have to rant and I can move on with my life. Alright, so in the top we got some papers. There we got limited warranty. We have a sticker, safety precautions, some stuff in Chinese I can't read, and a user guide. It opens up like this. Yeah, it looks like it explains some stuff. Dynamic microphones, general description, features, and mounting instructions, and oh my gosh, there's actually like some pretty technical stuff in here as well, which is fun. And then it's the same thing in a gazillion languages. Alright, so back to the box. We've got, what's this? Oh, that's like a folded cardboard. Ah! Okay, so this would be the windshield. I don't think I really need this because, like, but hey, bonuses. And they also included one of these little screw things. Let's just get to the microphone, hey? Woo! Hey, funny strap thing. Not really sure what this is. Maybe I need to read the thing and find out, or maybe one of you guys can tell me. Is it just a decoration, or I don't know. And here is, oh my god, it's heavy! It's actually quite heavy! Wow! Oh my gosh. Dang, that is a solid thing. Yeah, wow, so it's really heavy, and I feel like my old mic stand would not handle this because it's already like one of the legs is a bit weird, and that's why I've got it right next to my desk, so it's actually leaning against my desk so that it doesn't fall over, and that's just with the Rode. I mean, I suppose that isn't the lightest microphone either. Maybe I just haven't actually touched the mics because I leave that up there all the time, and maybe I just forgotten how heavy these things can be, but yeah, wow. It's a lot heavier than it looks, and my arm's getting tired holding it up like this. But yeah, I mean, I probably do need to get a new mic stand at some point, but I don't know, I kind of want to see it in person, and we're in lockdown at the moment, so I won't bother. Now on the back, we've got these little things, and I mean, I'll check the manual, but I gather that they're for changing the little sound settings. If you know what I'm talking about, I don't need to explain it. That one has some settings too, but I tend to just leave mics on the standard setting because I'm lazy, and you know, sometimes I struggle to like really hear like, is one better or the other? I don't know. I should play with them because, you know, new microphone, figure out what the sound is, but yeah, whatever. What else? So we've got your XLR. That's where the cable comes out, and then that's the thing that attaches to the stand. Now, maybe I do need to get a microphone stand, but one of the things that I like about this microphone, and another plus over the RE20 for me personally, is with this microphone, you know, you can actually hold it, and it doesn't really affect the sound. I mean, you probably want to be careful you're not bumping it too much and getting a lot of, like, you know, dong 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 sounds, but if you're careful about how you hold it, you can hold it and record a bit like a normal handheld stage microphone, although it is a fair bit heavier, fair bit chunkier, so that might take some getting used to. But one of the things I've noticed with doing my covers of like heavy metal songs and all that, it's really hard to just stand there and do this really full on intense vocals and like have the right energy because you have to stand static. Like when I'm on stage, I can move around and I can get into the feeling of the song and I don't have to worry about, how far away I am from the microphone because I'm holding it. I can adjust that. But when I'm standing here, it's just there, and if I move away, it's not coming with me. Sometimes I've moved away intentionally to create an effect or, but yeah, it's if you're trying to do things properly, right? You want to generally stay the right distance from the microphone, and if the microphone doesn't move, it means you can't move. And yeah, I've just found that really challenging. And when I've been practicing some of the covers that I want to do, it is hard to get into that energy. So yeah, I'll have to do some tests and practice around, but if I can just hold the microphone and do covers and be all like, "Blah," whatever, without having to just stand there being heap static. Like I've some of you might have noticed. Oh, my patrons on Patreon have seen the extra video where I danced around a little bit too much and all the stuff fell off my fell off my shelf because like I whacked things and yeah. Hopefully with this microphone I might be able to just have some fun instead of standing around rigidly. Trying to have good technique and not move away and have the energy. Like it's so much to think about. So that's one of the reasons I'm just like, you know what? And I've managed to save up a lot of money because like there's nowhere really to go, and I've been working more actually since the whole pandemic. It's weird how my life is. So, hey, now I have heavy metal microphone. Like it's the one that everyone seems drawn to. We had long discussions on Facebook with my audio engineering friends about it. Apparently you can take this off. I'm not going to now, but apparently you can take this off, and some people seem to like that. I don't know. Feel like it'd be a bit weird. I mean, one of the things about having a built-in, shield like this is when you're doing, like, you don't need the extra pop filter. I'm hoping that I won't need the extra pop filter with it, and I can just go around going, sort of like on stage. So that's the thing. Late night lockdown, lazy late night lockdown unboxing or whatever. I am gonna do more covers, but I've got to get used to this microphone, and I've also been working on some other stuff, so I can't promise you when any of that's going to happen, but things are in progress. Yeah, this video feels short. My thing's saying only like 16 minutes, and I'm gonna have to edit up bits where I'm in between things, so do we talk about more stuff, or do I just get ready for bed? Maybe that's it. Oh my god. This feels weird, guys, but quick brain, do you have anything else to say? Any closing words? Any closing rants that go for another 30 minutes?